2 cosine pi by 13. 2 cosine pi by 13 cos 9 pi by 13 plus cos 3 pi by 13 plus cos 5 pi by 13. You have to prove that this equal to 0. Okay. So well and good. 2 cos A cos B. What is the formula? 2 cos, this is A.
Cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B.
You see which one I have considered as by A. This is A, as it is larger than this. And this is B. 2 cos A cos B. What is the formula? Cos of A plus B. This plus this. That is 10 pi by 13. Cos of A plus B. Taito? Then plus cos of A minus B. Cos of 9 minus 5. That is cos of 8 pi by 13. Just try to understand. You have got or you have not got. Cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Okay? Is it?
Yes, sir.
Now you carry on this. Cos of 3 pi by 13 plus cos of 5 pi by 13. That means here we can write cos of, what should we write? Pi minus 3 pi by 13. Have you seen? If you calculate this, you will get this. 13 minus 3 equals to 10. And if we calculate this, cos of pi minus 5 pi by 13. Hello?
Sir, board দেখা যাচ্ছে না মতো।
Not clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Will be clear within very short time. Okay. Plus cos of 3 pi by 13. Now can you see the board?
Yes, sir.
No,
Please. Some of you can refresh. There is no problem from my side. It is okay because I can see it in the computer.
now it's clear, sir.
Okay. Actually, I have kept in mind that there is 3 pi by 13. So it is 3 pi by 13. I have also kept in my mind that there is 5 pi by 13. So it is 5 pi by 13. Okay. Now you see it is in the second quadrant. So it will be negative minus cosine 3 pi by 13 because in the second quadrant cosine is negative, as well as it is also negative in the second quadrant, minus cosine 5 pi by 13. That is here, just to maintain the formalities, 3 pi by 13 plus cosine 5 pi by 13, and that is equal to 0, and it is our right hand side. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So our math is done. Have you copied it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I am going to another question number 7. You write down sin theta sin 3 theta, I'm sorry, sin 5 theta plus sin 9 theta plus sin 13 theta. by cos theta, cos 5 theta, cos 9 theta, cos 13 theta. We have to prove that it is equal to tan 7 theta. We have to prove tan 7 theta. How we can get 7? You see, we see if we add this and divide by 2, we'll get 7. If we add this and divide by 7, divide by 2, we'll get also 7. Is it? That means we have to do the math like this: sine 13 theta plus sine theta. It is to be kept, and sine 9 theta plus sine 5 theta are to be kept within the first bracket. In the same way, cos 13 theta plus cos theta, again cosine 9 theta plus cosine 5 theta, in this way. Now you just calculate, you just put it into formula. What is the formula of first one? Sin C plus sin D. Bolo. You just let me the formula. Sin C plus sin D.
2 sine of C plus D by 2 into cos of C minus D by 2.
2 sine of C plus D by 2. This plus this by 2. That is 7 theta.
Yes, sir.
Talk to me. Sin 7 theta and cosine 6 theta. Have you got me?
Yes, sir.
This one sin C plus sin D. This one, let me know. 2 sine 9 plus 5, 14 by 2, 7 theta. 9 minus 5 equals to 4, 4 by 2. That is sin cos 2 theta. Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, in the denominator, cos C plus cos D. 2 cos C plus D by 2. Cos C minus D by 2. Here, 2 cos 9 plus 5 by 2, 7 theta. 9 minus 5 equals to 4 by 2, that is 2 theta. Have you got it
Sir,
or not?
sir.
I am not getting you.
So board is unclear. Again.
Board is it for all or 1 or 2?
Sir, আমি clear দেখতে পাচ্ছি.
And those who have problem, perhaps their net connection, because here I don't have any problem.
Yes, sir, it's clear now.
Okay. Now you see, from the denominator, these two, all are cancelled, right? From the denominator, all are cancelled. Okay, very good. You don't want to cancel it, not a matter. You just take common 2 sine 7 theta. 2 sine 7 theta can be taken common. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Then we are left with uncommon cos 6 theta plus cos 2 theta. And from the denominator, we can also take common 2 cos 7 theta. Then we are left with cos 6 theta plus cos 2 theta. Now you see 2 cancelled, all are cancelled. We are left with tan 7 theta.
Wow.
So our math is done. Equals to right hand side. Okay. Now, question number 8.
স্যার এই এক্সারসাইজের মোট কয়টা অঙ্ক আছে?
আছে, আর একটা দিন লাগবে।
স্যার সবগুলো ম্যাথ একটু ছবি তুলে পাঠিয়ে দিতে পারবেন? বইয়েরটা।
হ্যাঁ পারবো।
বইয়ের ছবিটা।
পারবো। যদিও জানি একটা অঙ্ক পারবো না তোমরা। ওকে, আমরা এখন কোর্সে একটা ইম্পর্টেন্ট ম্যাথ করব, সবচেয়ে ইম্পর্টেন্ট 9 এর 1, the most important. Okay, write down tan 45 degree plus theta, tan 45 degree plus theta by 2, then tan 45 degree theta. Okay, do it. This is the left hand side. Your right hand side is, I am writing here, right hand side is root 2 cos theta minus 1 by root 2 cos theta plus 1. This is the right hand side. Can you do it, please? I am doing, huh? Okay, that's good. You see, sine 45 degree plus theta by 2 into sine 45 degree minus theta by 2 by cosine 45 degree plus theta by 2 cosine 45 degree minus theta by 2. Just let me know where you have not got it. What I have done, that you did in class 9 and 10. Tangent equals to sine theta by cos theta. Tangent is equal to sine theta by cos theta. Nothing I did. Okay, is it okay to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you see, if I take a 2 here, if I take a 2 here, if I take a 2 here, now what becomes?
2 sin A sin B.
2 sin A sin B, what is the formula?
Sir, cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B.
Cos of A minus B, cos of A. This is A minus B. Cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. Please talk to me,
Yes, sir.
all of you. Then the denominator, 2 cos A cos B. Cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Is it? What I have done, I have just put into formula, man. Formula number 7 and formula number 8. This is the formula number 7 and this is the formula number 8. I told you that this formula will suffer you. Can you remember, please? Formula number 8 and formula number 12. Now, what we should do, you see, can we just calculate? If 2 is taken common, will I LCM or I will show it at a time? Okay, I'm going to LCM it. 2 LCM 45 degree plus theta minus 45 degree plus theta. Okay? Is it? Minus cosine, you take 2 LCM 45 degree plus theta plus 45 degree minus theta. In the same way, you do the denominator part. that is cosine 2 LCM 45 degree plus theta. শব্দ করছো কেন এভাবে তোমরা? 45 degree minus theta plus cosine 2 LCM 45 degree plus theta minus 45 degree plus theta. Now please calculate what is left in the numerator and what is left in the denominator is equal to there is cos theta 45 will be omitted, so we will be left with cos theta because 2 theta by 2 equals to theta minus here theta will be omitted, we will get cos 45 degree, and here in the denominator we will again theta will be omitted and we will be left with what? Cos 45 degree plus here in this math 45 will be omitted, so we will be left with cos theta.
Sir, cos
Now,
90 হবে না?
Where? Here or there? There is
Sir,
90 degree.
denominator.
Wait, there is 90 degree but divided by 2.
Oh, sir.
Okay. Now, what is the value of cos 45 degree? Value of
1
cos
by root
45 degree is 1 by root 2. It is 1 by root 2 plus cos theta. Now, dear students, what will you do? You will multiply both the numerator and denominator by root 2. If we multiply both the numerator and denominator by root 2, we will get root 2 cos theta minus 1 plus root 2 cos theta. And you see that our proof is done. Just one line is left. You can do or you cannot do. It is immaterial. Root 2 cos theta plus 1 equals to right hand side. This math will be given in the examination. Nine two. Same math. Cot 60 degree plus theta. Cot 60 degree plus theta by 2. Cot 60 degree minus theta by 2. Now it is your turn to do this math like what I did in question number 1 of 9. Do it.
right hand side কত?
Right hand side is 2 cos theta plus 1. 2 cos theta plus 1 by 2 cos theta minus 1. Okay. There is no difference between the maths. Here, what will you do? You will do like this. Cosine 60 degree plus theta by 2 into cosine 60 degree minus theta by 2 by sine 60 degree plus theta by 2 by sine 60 degree minus theta by 2. Is it or it should be? It should be, right? Now we should take 2 here. 2 here. I have taken 2 here. Okay. I have taken 2 here, both in the numerator and in the denominator. So 2 cos A cos B. What is the formula of 2 cos A cos B?
Sir, cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B.
Cos of A plus B. Cos of A, I am writing at a time, you see, cos of A plus B. This is B by 2. I have written at a time. Have you seen?
Yes, sir.
cos of a plus b by 2. Then cos of, let me know, a minus b by 2. A minus b, this is a minus b, this is b, 60 degree plus theta by 2. In a what? I have got the LCM at a time. Similarly, you do the math in the denominator. What will be? In the denominator, we can write 2 sin A sin B. Let me know what is the formula. Cos of
A minus B.
A minus B. Cos of A, this is A minus B. This is minus cos of A minus B. Then minus
cos A plus B.
Cos of A plus B. Cos of, this is A plus B. This is B. Now calculate it by yourself to get the result. What will be here? Here, I mean, theta will be omitted. Here 60 will be omitted. Here 60 will be omitted. Here theta will be omitted. Here theta and theta will be omitted. Then we'll be left with cosine 60 degree. Cosine, oh my God, here I have not given plus. Have you seen? Here I have not given plus, but none of you told me. Here a plus sign will be here. Please give a plus sign here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then what will be? Cos 60 degree plus
Cos theta.
And here cos theta
minus cos 60 degree.
minus cos 60 degree. What is the value of cos 60? Let me know. Half. Write down half plus cos theta by cos theta minus half. Now what I told you, in the fraction of the fraction, there is 2 in the denominator. So by 2 we have to multiply all. So, okay, very good. I will multiply all the terms by 2. Then what I will get? 1 plus 2 cos theta by 2 cos theta minus 1. I think you have got the proof. Just online is left to have the proof. After that, it is your math. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Was it hard? Was it question? Homework. Question number 8. Cos A, cos B, cos C. Cos A, cos B, cos C. Cos of A plus B plus C is equal to, you have to prove that 4 cos B plus C by 2, cos C plus A by 2, cos A plus B by 2. You have to prove this. Can you do it? Is there anyone here who can do this math?
Yes, sir.
I can give you a hint. That is, at first, what will you do? You will take these two together and these two together. Then do it. If you want, I can do it now. Or if you want, you can do it at home. Let me know. I want your answer.
Sir, basa try kori.
Can you do it? It will be very hard for you. Okay, you try it and just you think who can do it. And if any
clear হয়ে গেছে
হ্যাঁ
স্যার বোর্ড আনক্লিয়ার হয়ে গেছে আবার
is it to all?
না স্যার।
স্যার দেখতে পাচ্ছি তো।
একদম ক্লিয়ার ভাবে।
ওয়াইফাই সমস্যা, নেটওয়ার্ক বিজি। স্যার আমি আরেকটা ডিভাইস দিয়ে মিটিং এন্টার করেছি স্যার।
ওকে, অনেক সময় নেটওয়ার্কের প্রবলেম হয়। ওকে, so this math is your homework. If you can do, you do it and send it to group. Okay, now I am going to do another important math, question number 982. I'm sorry, question number
লাইন কেটে যাবে
কেন
40 মিনিট।
না না না, এবার তো আমরা তো দেরি করে গেছি না, লাইন কাটবে না, আমরা তো নতুন করে জয়েন করছি এবার সবাই। ওকে, নাও go to question number 9 question number 10 এর 1. 10(1). You see the question, tan of 45 degree plus theta, tan of 45 degree plus theta plus tan of 45 degree minus theta. Okay, do it. Your right hand side is 2 sec 2 theta. Right hand side hello 2 sec 2 theta. Do it and let me know. Quick. Can you do it?
Yes sir.
Okay, do it. Carry on. You are just left with only one option, that is sine 45 degree plus theta by cosine 45 degree plus theta plus, let me know, sine 45 degree minus theta by cosine 45 degree minus theta. Now get the LCM. What will you get? Cosine 45 degree plus theta cosine 45 degree minus theta. Okay, and in the numerator we will get sine 45 degree plus theta into cosine 45 degree minus theta, right? Plus cosine 45 degree plus theta into sine 45 degree minus theta. Can you please let me formula number 1?
Sine of a plus b.
This is a sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. Have you seen? This is a. You see, this is a. This is b. Sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. What is the formula? Sine of a plus b. Sine of a plus b. This is a. This is a plus this is b. Sine of a plus b I have written. Now, can you please remember cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b? Formula number 17, 18. Can you please tell me?
7, 8. So cos of a plus b minus cos
Into,
of
cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. Formula number
cos
17,
square
18.
b minus cos square a.
Cos square b minus cos square a. Very good. Okay, what is cos square a? This is cos square a minus this is cos square b. Is it? It is the formula number 17 or 18, perhaps 18 number formula. Okay. Now you see this theta and this theta omitted. Is it? So we are getting sine 90 degree. Sine 90 degree by, it is cos 45. Cos 45 1 by root 2 whole square minus cos square theta. That means 1 by half minus cos square theta. Now, if we multiply by 2, then we will get by 2. This is 2. This is 1 minus 2 cos square theta. Can you remember what is the formula of 1 minus 2 cos square theta? Please try to understand. That day I proved it. 1 plus cos 2 theta equals to 2 cos square theta. Can you remember, please?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Then but there is a problem of minus. Where it is? We are wrong in our formula. What is the formula? Cannot remember. Cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. Mr. Sondit, you did not give me the correct information. Cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. Dear students, hello everybody. Everybody.
Yes, sir.
Its previous line. Okay. Have you got me? Its previous line
Yes, sir.
will be, you write down. Its previous line will be sine of what I
90
wrote?
degree.
45 degree plus theta plus 45 degree minus theta, right? Cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. It is formula is cos a square b minus this.
So cos square b minus cos square a. এটা
Cos square b minus cos square a. It is the formula. Please make the correction. Just before this line, you make the correction. Okay. Have you got me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
After that, you write down cos 90 degree. I'm sorry, sine 90 degree by cos square theta minus it is half. Now you multiply both sides by 2. 2 sine 90. That means 2
1
by 2 cos
2
square
cos
theta
square theta minus 1.
Now you see, if 1 is taken to the right hand side, we get what? We
Cos
get
2
what?
theta.
Cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta means what? 2 sec 2 theta. Please try to understand. Okay. Bye bye for the day today. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
স্যার টাইমে প্রবলেম ছিল।
আবার
Let me know. Quick, বলো।
স্যার আমার সানডে আর ওয়েডনেসডে তে দুইটা থেকে মানে ফিজিক্স
ওকে, তোমরা গ্রুপে টাইমটা ঠিক করো। ওকে, ঠিক করে আমাকে জানাও। গ্রুপে বসে টাইমটা ঠিক করো। হ্যাঁ, আমি খুব আজকে টায়ার্ড হয়ে গেছি। ওকে, বাই বাই।
ঠিক আছে স্যার।